Are you ready to read this week? We're looking towards some seasonal baking, and our favorite is baking cookies. We have some great suggestions for some cookie baking books, whether you like to bake, decorate, or just eat cookies. Head to HanleyRegional.org, type into the search bar, #Cookies for Everyone, and you'll see some story options, such as The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Mom makes a batch of a dozen chocolate chip cookies for her children, Victoria and Sam. Each child has 6 cookies, but when the doorbell rings and friends drop by, the cookies must be shared. The doorbell rings again and again and again until there's only one cookie for each child. What happens if the doorbell rings again? Mr. Cookie Baker by Monica Wellington. Follow Mr. Cookie Baker as he spends his day making special cookies for the customers. When the day ends, Mr. Baker finally has a chance to enjoy a cookie himself. Or maybe, everyone's favorite duckling, Duckling Gets a Cookie by Mo Willems. The duckling wants a cookie and gets one. Do you think Pigeon is happy about that? The beloved pigeon returns for another hilarious adventure that will keep kids giggling and minding their manners. Or maybe The Cow Loves Cookies by Karma Wilson. The horse loves hay, the chickens need feed, the geese munch on corn, the hogs devour slop, the dog eats treats, but the cow loves cookies? This book presents an original twist on the ordinary barnyard book with a clever exploration of a curious incident on the farm. Who Took the Cookies from the Cookie Jar by Bonnie Lass. Children join Skunk in his search for the cookie thief as he interviews his friends, a variety of animals from the southwestern American desert. This bright picture book encourages readers to sing along with the familiar verse as Skunk tries to figure out who took the cookies from the cookie jar. Don't forget, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Numeroff. This classic, it reminds you that if you give that mouse a cookie, you might just ask for a glass of milk. And then all kinds of things start to happen. So don't forget to pick this one up during your cookie week. Another thing to remember, you'll want to remember to head to the blog post linked in this description and download your cookie counting and coloring page with a fun story song. You can sing it along with multiple well-known tunes, including Twinkle Little Star or 5 Little Ducks. It goes a little like this. 5 little cookies in the bakery shop, shining, shining with sugar on top. Along came a boy with a penny to spend. He took one and away he ran. And then we're gonna count down to 4 little cookies in the bakery shop, shining, shining with sugar on top. Along came a girl with a penny to spend. She took one and away she ran. Now we're down to just 3. 3 little cookies in the bakery shop, shining, shining with sugar on top. Along came a boy with a penny to spend. He took one and away he ran. Uh-oh, only 2 more. 2 little cookies in the bakery shop, shining, shining with sugar on top. Along came a girl with a penny to spend. She took one and away she ran. Oh, We're down to just one more little cookie. One little cookie in the bakery shop, shining, shining with sugar on top. Along came a boy with a penny to spend. He took that cookie and away he ran. No more cookies in the bakery shop, shining, shining with sugar on top. Guess we'll have to bake some more. Have fun this week dreaming up all kinds of cookie baking ideas, and we'll see you next week for another theme.